Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So for this video guys, I'm going to show you the Pasalubong items that we bought from Westfield Southland Shopping Center. So firstly, I would like to apologize for the background guys. As you can see, all the boxes on the back, and you know, it looks a bit mess at the moment. It's because we are going to move house next weekend, so we're starting to pack everything, so we're all ready by next weekend. That's why, but yeah, so that's why just disregard all of them guys. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys are the chocolates. So we went to South Melbourne Market to get all these chocolates guys, because they sell it cheaper compared to other shops. That's why we went there. But we just got, I don't know, chocolates like this because there's not a lot in here, because we sent like a balikbayan box already last month guys, so it will be there by next month. So the chocolates that are here are just for maybe good for the family, I'd say, and then for, you know, friends and relatives and all that, the chocolates will be in that balikbayan box. So first I'm gonna show you these chocolates. So Mimi chose them guys. So that's the first one. There's actually a lot of them guys, so I'm not gonna show them to you one by one. We've got picnic. We've got Jets, Arnott's. We've got a packet of little chocolates here too guys that Paris opened because she wants one. So we opened it. And then we also have Milky Bar. We also have Mars. And what else we have here? Yeah, let's just bag full of chocolates guys. So that's the chocolate. And then after South Melbourne Market guys, we went to Southland Shopping Center, and because we need something for my dad and for my brother, so for my mom and for my little brother, and you know, nieces and nephew and my sister-in-law, we have, you know, stuff for them already. So what's missing is for my dad and for my brother. And also while we're there actually guys, we just bought something for an extra item for my little brother and my nephew. So the first one guys is this. Ding ding ding, Citizen. So it's a watch for my big brother. So it's in this box. The box is actually very nice guys, and it looks like this. So it's two-tone, it's silver and gold, and that's what it looks like. Yeah, it's very nice. I'm not gonna take it out guys because it's boxed properly now. But I'm just gonna show you a really quick one. So that's what it looks like on the box. So that is for my brother guys. And then for my dad, we got the brand Chisel. Is that how you pronounce it guys? And let's open it, and there's like a firm, and that's the watch. So as you can see, yeah, so my dad is going to like it, I hope. So yeah, that's the two watches for my kuya and for my papa. And then while I was there, as mentioned, I grabbed something for my nephew and for my baby brother. So this is for my nephew guys. So it's the how do you call it, chain with this pendant, because they're big boys now, guys, you know what I mean? Like they're around, I think my nephew is now 12 or 13, so they're gonna go with a, you know, siga look, you know what I'm talking about. And then for my little brother, he is now what, 9 or 10. I think he's going to like this one too, guys. It's very similar to the other one, but yeah. So they're all from Prouds, guys. So that's the jewelry shop that we went to. And then while I was there, I bought something for myself, guys. Oh yes, of course, duh, Jovi, surprise, surprise. But yeah, it's not in the box anymore, guys, because guess what, I'm wearing it already. So have a look, guys. So not this one. So this one was before here. So this is the new one that I bought. So the medium size, because I thought, like, you know, I don't know, I just like this look at the moment. See, as you can see. So at the moment, guys, I am loving this kind of look. Before, this one was here, and then on this part I had this one. Well, I don't know if that will focus, but it's very tiny. However, you know, I changed my style now, guys. So this is what it looks like now. So this one's the partner of this one, guys, I gave it to Mimi already, so she put it on the other side of her ear. And then these two, I just give it to Mimi. So I don't know if she's gonna keep it or give it to someone when she goes home to the Philippines. But yeah, that's what we got from Prouds, guys. And also, oh yeah, I'm gonna tell you the price of this one. So the one that I'm currently wearing, I'm not gonna give you the price for the Pasalubong, guys, because obviously they're gifts and I don't really wanna, you know, like, put pricing on them, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm not gonna tell you the pricing for those, but I'm gonna tell you the one that I bought for myself. So this earring, guys, it was on sale for 69 Australian dollars. So this is not a real diamond, guys, mind you. It's only some kind of lab stone, but still, you know, it still looks very nice, I think. What do you think? But yeah, yeah, that's about it, guys. Actually, I'm gonna show you another one. So while we were at the shop and, you know, walking around, we passed by Glassons, and guess what? I grabbed this for myself. It's very cute, guys. It's, have a look, mom denim from Glassons, and it's pink. It's so me, in size 8, and at the moment, so this is the price, guys. It's marked as $30, but at the moment they were having because it's Australia Day, so it's a long weekend, they were having a sale, and this, they were selling it for $20, so I grabbed it for myself. This was when we were on our way out. So yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I know it's very short, but I would just like to show to you, you know, my pasalubong and some extra stuff. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, guys, for more videos. And you know, if you don't mind, you can also click that bell button as well, so you get notified every time I upload videos. Yeah, so I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye.